Hello, mabuhay. My name is Marcel M. Comeros. This is my performance task with the title of Ethical Dilemma Reflection. Analyzing a real hypothetical ethics dilemma and reflect on how ethical principles can guide your decision making. I found a wallet on the street. It's got a lot of cash in it, ID, credit cards. The ethical dilemma is, do I keep the wallet and the money, or do I try to return to its owner? My essential reaction may to be a keep it, especially I'm a short on cash. That's myself part of me taking. But then I'm considering kick in that's the ethical parts. Keeping the wallet would be wrong. It's stealing, plain and simple. It's again and low, and more importantly, it's not fair to the person who lost it. Analyzing a dilemma helped me to understand my own internal conflicts between self-interest and doing what's right. I learned that have a true and I have selfish impulse. I also have a strong sense in fairness and justice. I value honesty and integrity. I so can I apply ethical ethics in every life? Well, it's about being mindful of my actions under conflicts. It's about considering the impact of choice have on other. For example, instead of cutting in line, I will should wait my return instead of gasping about someone. I should try to be kind and understand interest of plugging some work. I should always cut my resources and give credit where credit is due. It's about conscious decision based on principle of fairness, honesty, and respect. That we all thank you.